Yo guys, we are back for a trading live and a trading analysis on yesterday's trade and today's trade and seeing what we're looking for, just if we're going to be looking for sells or buys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe, and that's really it, guys. If you guys want to join me to the top, Discord community down below. Disclaimer, I'm not profitable. Anyway, that's my goal. Gonna get there pretty soon, I believe. And let's get to it. What happened yesterday is I took 2 L's, guys. I took 2 L's. One was just foolishness, just because it was too early. I knew it was too close. I knew it was too early. It's just that in my mind, I thought that it would be a valid place to take a buy. But overall, it was not a valid place to take a buy. So this is my foolishness. Number 2 is right here. Right, this one was good. I just got wicked out before price pushed up. So I would have made my money back from what I did the previous trade and a bit more if I was not to get wicked out. And I would have taken out at this point due to the fact that this is 5 a.m. I would have woken up and checked the charts, because usually I have like a rule as well, nothing really past 5 a.m. unless it's going up, and once it comes back down just for a little bit, I take out. So it would have been something right here, like 5 a.m. would have taken out somewhere here. I would have given it a little bit of space, but since price didn't do anything, I would have taken out. The most recent trade on Friday was due to me maybe just having FOMO, not really fear of missing out, but just an area where I really thought price was going to push down, and in the end it just went against me, which is alright. That happens. I need to realize that 1, it's Friday. 2, just be more patient, just wait. You don't have to take a trade, right? So here I took a sell just because I thought this was a range box, and it grabbed the top liquidity for price to start pushing down, especially with the momentum it had for the first 2 candles. I really thought price was going to push down, but in the end price just kind of faked me out, pushed back up, and yeah, really just has breakthrough, hit my stop loss. It was really tight stop loss, which was also another problem, but now we can see that even if I had a bigger stop loss, I would have still been stopped out. And lessons for me to learn for this trade specifically is to, if price doesn't move how I would like it to move, pop out. Like right now, before price actually pushed down, price went up, then it was literally like this. Didn't want to move down, didn't want to move up, it was just like this. And usually what I expect when price grabs liquidity of an area, especially in a range, I expect it to go down fast. And in this case, price did not go down fast. So that was my fault. I'll just quickly see if I would have still been in the trade. I mean, if I had a 1 to 10 stop loss, I would have still been in the trade, but I wasn't expecting price to push up this high. So my next area where I'll be looking for, since price did not grab this liquidity here, this yellow line liquidity, I expect price to come up here, grab this liquidity, and then push back down. The reason why I say this is because price literally went so close to grabbing this yellow line, which is liquidity, and it literally just couldn't help itself just to grab it. So I expect price just to fool everyone, go back up, and then take a sell back down. The good thing about it is apparently I'm with the trend. I didn't even know. I thought it was an uptrend just from zooming out of the 5-minute time frame. Zooming out of this 5-minute time frame, which you can clearly see, but obviously other people have different thoughts. And yeah, I'm just gonna follow my strategy. I think taking a sell up here is the perfect area for price to come back down, grab these liquidities, because usually what we know is that price does not leave liquidity. It'll always grab liquidity. It may not be today, but it'll be like another day. But I'm expecting price to come up, grab liquidity real quick, and then push back down to this area just to grab these 2 probably, and maybe continue going down, since price literally forgot this one. So we'll see what happens in the next 30 minutes to an hour, and I'll let you guys know. And surely price does not just do what I think it's going to do. So we took in the sell right here, and the reason why is because it's just above the daily open. We expect price to come back down for the liquidity down below. I don't like how price is pushing up right now, but we expect price to come back down for the liquidity down below. I think I'm losing it because, in all honesty, I'm not actually going with the phase 3. I completely forgot the market cycles, because judging back here, this was a valid entry for a buy. I did not take a buy. I took a sell. I don't think there should be any reason for price to actually come down, because it's not with the trend. So you know what, guys? Maybe if I'm wrong or not, I'm gonna hop out early, just because me looking at it from this point of view, Not even because it's going up, it's just because I think price should have been going up. I took the wrong way. Maybe I'm just overthinking it, but I took out early just because I thought to myself, why am I going against the market cycles? I was going against one of my crucial parts in my strategy. Market cycles are ranging here, phase 2, then you call this phase 3, which you grab liquidity, and we expect this to continue going up. So why am I going against it, even though the directional bias on the higher time frame is up? Like, it's foolish. So I'm gonna hop out. This was just a shitty trade, absolute shitty trade, and just more lessons to learn, guys. So I've taken 4 L's in a row. Honestly, don't really feel that bad. I just feel annoyed because I made bad decisions, you know. Should have taken a buy here. I just didn't like it how price missed out on this liquidity area. Probably should have taken it anyway, regardless, just because, you know, price already grabbed the previous liquidity here. They already did the phase 2 and then phase 3. Like, everything was perfect. I wasn't looking properly, you know. I wasn't right. So we need to go back to the trading analysis Sunday, just analyze what we could have done better, because this is actually a major problem. Still see a lot of flaws to improve, and we're going to end it here, guys. It is what it is. Taking 2 L's today, we're going to call it, but we did risk 50% less, because we usually risk 50% less on Mondays and Fridays, just because they're the days that kind of act different. So we need to first get accustomed to it before we use normal size. Besides that, guys, if you guys enjoyed, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all probably tomorrow. Peace.